Alrighty. Easy, sneezy, free. This thing is light too. They moved this truck. I didn't want to stack it up. All right.
Done this a few times, huh?
You're not gonna believe how many times I've done this, sir. If I would tell you, put it this way, I'm picking up 2 more today in this truck, so I'll have to stand up one of them. But I've had 8 in here before. I think I remove about maybe 10 to 12 a week. On a busy week, just up to 25. So I'm driving all over the Metroplex.
This thing is like...
Has had it, huh?
25 years, maybe.
It lasts a long time, didn't it?
Yeah.